What's going on? My name is Fave, and what inspires me? Well, three things. First is the history of motivators, beginning with my dad, who just pushed me to do whatever it is that I aspired to do. From Mr. Boswell, my speech professor, who taught me that you cannot not communicate. For Kevin Woodgett, a minister of music in Muncie, Indiana, who saw something in me after only playing the piano 2 years to put me over an entire choir and let me flourish and grow. You know, you gotta love technology with social media and internet, being able to collaborate with people across the world in real time is just mind-boggling. And last but not least, when I think about the future and being able to take all that motivation and technology from past and present and put it into the children, put it into mentorships, young brothers and sisters out there, no matter what race, creed, color, religion, sexual orientation, whatever, throughout the world, being able to help mold that future is just very inspiring. And I'm very thankful to be a part of it. That's my story. What inspires you?